So the question here says, can I pray behind an imam basically, who is, his aqeedah isn't known? If you see Islam in this person, and he says he's a Muslim, you pray behind him. You don't need to go and ask every imam, what is your aqeedah, what do you believe in? This wasn't the path that the people of the righteous people of the past did. They didn't just go and ask everyone every 5 seconds, who are you and where are you? The only people that you need to ask regarding their aqeedah is someone that you're going to get married to, someone that you're going to study from, and someone you're going to take as a companion. These are the people you need to know about. But as for the others, if you walk into a masjid, and the masjid's a normal masjid, and the imam, you see him, he looks normal. He doesn't look, when I mean he looks normal, you've never heard anything from his mouth, or you can't see anything that he's calling to on the internet, etc. Then you pray behind him, and you keep it like that. You don't start going up to him and asking him questions, as this is not allowed. This is not something that should be done.